Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Paper Mario step by step in an easy way. Okay, let me use just a paper and a pencil. Okay, we start drawing this circle. Okay, it's more like a oval. This oval, this oval gonna be the face of Paper Mario. Okay, now let me draw this line and these two. Okay, that line gonna help us to add the element of the face like the eyes. For the eyes, just two circles. The first one and the second one. Perfect. Now for the nose, another circle like this. Now that look perfect. For the ear, another circle. Perfect. Now it's time to the cap. For the cap, I start drawing this line that connect in the ear at the same time. Now it's time to the Mario mustache. If you pay attention, I'm drawing just using shapes. Because when you use shapes, drawing make easier. Now for the mouse, just like a triangle and draw the other element. Perfect. Let me finish the cap. I'm gonna continue this line and I'm gonna connect this like this. Let me draw this another one to make the shape of the cap like this. Let me add some shadow here. And now the shape. If you want done drawing something that you like, just comment the name of the characters that you want below in the comment box. And now the letter M in the cap. Okay, that look perfect. If you want, you can only draw in the face of Paper Mario and that's it. But in my case, I'm gonna draw in the body. For drawing the body, I'm gonna use shape like always. I'm gonna use the almost the same distance to the head to the body, like this. I'm drawing a circle. I use this line to have an idea about the composition of the body. This line, perfect. Now start to drawing the that triangle. Triangle no, it's like a let me see a square. Okay, now the two circle, and now the shoes. For the shoes, I'm gonna use two circle, oval, whatever. It's the same. Okay, it's not the same, but you understand. Now it's time to add the details now. Don't make a hard pressure in the with the pencil, cause if you want to erase something, gonna be easier. Okay, now it's time to make the figure to add the arms. For drawing the arms, just lines, and drawing in the feet a circle. The hands, and here the same lines and a circle. If you want, you can reduce the speed of the video to pay more attention about the details, the shape that I'm used. Let me add the details of the hands. I'm here. We finished the gloves. The drawing is almost done. Let me draw in the hair and almost finish. Let me add some shadow, and guys, here we have Mario paper. Drawing in an easy way, step by step. If you want done drawing something that you like, just comment below. And now guys, let me add some details, but that's all. See you next time. Bye bye.